Are you looking for a comprehensive guide to the dashboard warning indicator lights in the 2024 Chevrolet Express? What do the various warning lights signify, and how should you respond when they illuminate? How can you differentiate between critical alerts, such as engine or brake system warnings, and less urgent notifications?
Instrument cluster, cluster indicators,
Airbag readiness light, driver seat belt, reminder light, airbag on-off light, anti-lock brake system warning light, brake system warning light, tow haul mode light, vehicle ahead indicator, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator, lamp, lane departure warning light, engine oil pressure light, electronic stability control off light, tire pressure light, traction control system, security light, cruise indicator light, high beam on light, low fuel level warning light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.